Cardano is considered one of the most powerful and distinctive projects in the world of digital currencies. We've discussed it several times in the past, especially during seasons of high market activity. The currency always experiences strong movements during these periods. During the last season, we noticed that Cardano made a clear breakthrough from a previous bottom, specifically after a period of prolonged accumulation. When it broke out of that zone, it retested the accumulation zone again, and then began its real recovery, which sparked the start of a bullish season. The scenario seems to be repeating itself now, in much the same way. After the currency rose from the bottom, it was unable to clearly break the accumulation zone, and then retested this zone again. The current test is slightly different in duration. The retest period this time has been longer due to Bitcoin's slowdown and its delay in showing a clear upward movement. When we look back in time and compare the previous accumulation period with the current one, we notice a significant difference. The time frame of the previous season was relatively short, and immediately after that, the bullish recovery began. In the current scenario, the time frame has increased, yet the market continues to repeat the same pattern. Looking at the correction rates, we find that Cardano, after rising from the accumulation zone last season, corrected by approximately 39% to 40%. In the current scenario, the correction rate has exceeded 60%, which represents a significant difference in terms of data. However, as we always emphasize, the data doesn't necessarily match 100%. What matters is that the price and wave pattern repeats itself, while maintaining the same general shape of the movements, which is what we are actually seeing happening now. In the current scenario, the currency is experiencing a clear accumulation movement and appears to be preparing for another rebound. The entire market is experiencing the same situation, and the current slowdown is largely linked to Bitcoin's movements. Bitcoin's market dominance is still at high levels and has not yet experienced a major correction, which in turn is putting pressure on the performance of other currencies. Cardano is currently moving within a clear ascending channel, which is positive. This pattern is now prevalent among a large number of cryptocurrencies, where we see a rise followed by a fall, then a new rise within the same channel, indicating that the market is still maintaining momentum. If this pattern continues, the next expected target for the currency could reach $2, God willing, with the possibility of short corrections before the upward trend continues. Some investors are fearful of a decline, which is a natural feeling given the current volatility. However, as we always repeat, the market is not moving in a straight direction, and it is important to adopt a gradual buying approach, meaning entering the market in stages rather than all at once. Completely exiting the market due to some corrections is not recommended, as large movements could occur at any moment. Bitcoin's takeover is currently approaching historical highs, which increases the likelihood of a correction at any time. We are now very close to sensitive areas such as the 67% and 65% takeover levels, which are considered strong resistance levels, and a decline could begin from there. If this happens, altcoins are expected to move strongly, given the reduced pressure on them from Bitcoin. It's important for every investor to commit to the currencies they believe in and be patient over the medium and long term. The road may be difficult, but most of the journey has already been completed. And there's little left. We're on the cusp of a new upward trend, which is expected to begin at any moment, especially as the weekly close approaches, which is currently about a day and 19 hours away. This close could carry important signals for market movements in the coming period. Bitcoin is expected to show a clear breakout during these days, and if it does, it will be a strong signal for the beginning of a new season from which altcoins could significantly benefit. Cardano is one of these currencies with strong indicators, especially given the current price pattern and the shape of the ascending channel it follows. Technical analysis doesn't provide guaranteed results, but it helps chart a future based on current data. Therefore, it's essential to always closely monitor the market and flexibly update investment plans according to price movements. The coming periods will be crucial, and good preparation through wise capital management and adherence to entry and exit plans is what makes the difference in the world of digital currencies.